Henan Zhongzhou Animal Husbandry Breeding Equipment Company Limited, which is the largest-scale automated animal husbandry equipment manufacturer in China. It was established in 2002. It is close to the Beijing-Guangzhou Railway, the Beijing-Zhuhai Expressway, the Beijing-Guangzhou High-Speed Railway, and the 107 National Road. The traffic advantage is unique. The company has more than 30,000 square meter production bases, strong production force, machinery and equipment and advanced products craftsmanship. It has obtained more than 30 patents each year. It has been awarded the title of Qualified Trustworthy Unit and Integrated Management Unit by the state and the province. In 2014, the product passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. In 2015, it led the construction of Hainan Animal Husbandry, which is the largest standardized breeding demonstration base in Henan Province. In 2016, it was named National High-Tech Enterprise and Agricultural Industrialization Leading Enterprise. In 2017, it was selected as Top 10 Chinese breeding equipment brand. Our company has an annual production capacity of more than 1.5 million units. One of the quality long-run automated feeding equipment, automated drinking water equipment, automatic chicken manual cleaning equipment, and intelligent environmental control systems. First-class technology. Products sell well in Henan, Shanxi, Heilongjiang, Jilin, Xinjiang, more than 30 provinces and cities, and exports to Southeast Asia and other countries. According to the development trend of the company vigorously develops, including modern breeding industry, agriculture and animal husbandry waste utilization, trinity and green planting, a profitable circular economy trend development model. Since the establishment of Zhongzhou Animal Husbandry, we have been continuously innovated in pursuit of excellence and integrity. It has won recognition from our customers. Let farming become a happy and easy thing. For the company's vision, continue to contribute to the development of China's animal husbandry.